Dear students, good afternoon students. In previous class students, you read about the xylem cells and xylem tissues. You call the xylem tissues. And today we are going to learn the next topic, that is the phloem tissues. And phloem tissue is also a complex permanent tissue. This is the second type of the complex permanent tissue. So you learn what are the main characters of the permanent tissues. What are the main characters of the phloem tissues? Characters of phloem tissues. The first, that is the living cell. Understand, student? The first character is the living cells. Living conducting tissues. You can say the living conducting tissues. Second, as like xylem cells, this cannot provide the conduction of water. It cannot performing the mechanical support. Cannot provide the conduction of water and cannot performing the as like xylem tissues. It cannot provide mechanical support. Understand? And third is the main function. This is working as the conduction of food. So students, you see the three main characters of the phloem tissues, which is first is that is the phloem tissues are living conducting tissue. Second is it cannot as like the work as the xylem. The xylem conduction of water, it cannot conduct the water. It produces the food material, and it cannot giving the mechanical support of the plant body. So students, after that you learn the types of the phloem tissues. What are the types of phloem tissues? You write here, types of phloem tissue. How many types of the phloem tissue? Phloem tissues are the 4 types. First type is the Sieves element. And second is the companion cells. Third is the phloem fiber. And fourth is the phloem parenchyma. So students, you see the 4 types of the phloem tissues, and which is very important for all the working in the cells and the plant, as the conduction of the water. Main work is the conduction of food, and it help in the other part of the plant body. So students, all the cells which having made up of the permanent tissues, and this is the parenchyma. What is this tissue? Is the parenchyma tissue. made up of the xylem series element is made up of the parenchymatous tissue, and here is the structure of the LS of the phloem, in which you see longitudinal section of the phloem. What is the longitudinal section? This structure is the series element, and this series element having the series plates. Here you see the series plates, and here you see the series pores, which is act on the series plate. Here you see the series tube element. Here you see the after that series element you found the companion cells, and after that you see here the phloem sap passes through pores and the series phloem. So students, in this way you see the different parts of the cell divided by one to other the cells. So each and every cells connected together and having the specific function. For this, what is this function? This function is the providing the food material to clean storage to other part of the body. So you see the series tube is elongated, long tubular structure, and here is not found the nucleus. In companion cells that is like a structure, but here is found the nucleus, and nucleus having the cytoplasm. So in series element you see there is not found nucleus and there is found cytoplasm. About the only cytoplasm are not found. Here is found the albuminous and viscous substances consisting of the lack of nucleus. All the parts of the cytoplasm cannot found the nucleus. In companion cells having the cytoplasm and it's having the nucleus. And third is the phloem fibers, which having the sclerenchymatous tissue. These are the dead tissues, and these dead tissues making the different types of the ropes and rough cloths. And fourth is the phloem parenchyma. It's having the parenchymatous tissue, and is parenchymatous tissue having the tube-like structure, and that is the living tissues, and this having the mechanical transport of the food. What is the main function is the transport of the food. So students, you see here the four types of the cell is made up of the four types of the tissues, and these tissues here is found permanent tissue, here is found permanent tissue, here is found permanent tissue, but here is found scleromatous tissues. What is the function of the sewage element? The main function of the sewage is conduction and prepare the food. Conduction and prepare the food. Prepare the food. What is the main function of the companion cell? Companion cells also support the sewage element to conduction and prepare the food. Support the conduction and prepare the food to sewage element. So next is the phloem fibers. This is made of the sclerenchyma, that is the dead cells, and what is the main function? Making rope and rough cloths. And next is the phloem parenchyma. It also help in the storage of the food, assist transport of the food material. What is the storage of food? And assist assist transport of food. Transport of food. So students, in this way you learn what are the xylem tissues types and what are the types of the phloem tissues, and different tissues having the different specific function. Thank you so much students.